Welcome back to my channel QHE Tajweed Rules of the Quran channel in English. Today inshallah we will answer some questions. I will give you like a small test, 5 questions only, and I will see if you can answer it. After few days I will put the answer in a new video inshallah. Try your best. Don't forget to write your answers in the comment under the video. Let's start. Find me in one of the next words. Let's start together. First question here. Find me. I am a word that starts with إذلاق letter and ends with a بينية in between letter. It is in word عليم, or it is in word ربكم, or I am in word أعمالكم. Our next question, find me. I am the different ya in the makhraj articulation point. Makhraj is the articulation point, any word you use to. I am the different ya in the makhraj. In the word al-bayt, or word al-yaqut, or word al-alamin. Find me in one of the next words. I am a tafkhim letter and I have a whistle on me. In word ضارة, or in word زبورة, or in word سائلين, or in word صابرين. Find me. I come from the deepest part of the throat when you stop on me, and from the tongue when you continue reading. In word مثابة, in word سوء, or in word عليه. Find me. I am a jahr and shadid letter, articulated by parting between the two parts of the articulation point, and no mouth or jaw movement following that. So I am a jahr and shidda letter, articulated by parting between the two parts of the articulation point, and nothing follow me from movement of mouth or jaw. It is I am on word وَلَأُصَلِّبَنَّكُمْ. I am in word قَالَ, or I am in word قَبَلَ. This is 5 simple easy questions. I hope you can answer it. Please, if you didn't have enough time, you can back for the video one more time, stop it, think about it, and find the answer, and don't forget to write it in a comment. Inshallah, in a new video, we will explain the answer and we will see the answer. After I find enough comments, come and tell me that you are tried your best. Jazakumullah khairan to watch my channel QHE Tajweed Rules of the Quran channel. See you inshallah in a new video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe, like, and watch one of our videos. It will appear for you right now. Assalamu alaikum.